Hey, 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 Cyndilu, back here for session 2, part 2, creating this logo. So we had a J. Oh, let's make the background color. Let's give the background some color. Well, actually, no, we can just give the letters some color. Boom. How about some black? Yep, okay. And we're going to make it bigger. Cyndilu coming at you live from New Zealand. And I'm taking you through my creative process here as I go. And going up and changing this to the font that we had found in the other one, which was E. Thought I had it here, but maybe I don't. Maybe I don't, maybe I don't. Oh, I thought I had it. Let me go. Ooh. Peek over here real quick. To text. Bilbo swash caps. I might not have it. Nope, I don't. So we'll have to find another one that's similar. Oh, that one's a little boring. A little boring, a little boring. The one thing I liked about PicMonkey is you could get it down to just have the things that were the font styles you wanted. That could work. Because the fun part about being in this program, and I know you can't see this part, but I can actually change the width of the letter. Well, that might be a little overkill. That might be about right. And then let's copy that. And put the R up. Oh, yep, I'm kind of liking this. Might end up with a little bit better of one. What do we think? And now, just kind of changed it a lot, huh? It's very different than the other one, but that's all right. Seeing how I like that overlap like we did before. I'm not sure. Nope, I think I'm liking that right there, actually. And now we need to add a very simple, oops, undo. That's not what I wanted. I want to do a new text layer. It's going to be too big and way not what I want. It's all right. We will adjust as we go. Like I said, you're going with me on my creative journey, and you will see that I copy and paste a lot, go back down to change the size, because I really want this to kind of be a contrasting. Oh, I like that, I like that, I like that. With the paint going right through, that are kind of attached there to it. Yeah, I think we'll go with that. So now I'm going to select all of these layers, which is the thing that I couldn't do in the other one. And the reason I'm doing that is because I want to resize them all together. If you hold down the Shift key, it resizes them without. Go back. Undo, because whoops, it's not letting me undo. Oh, that's all right. What do we think? Yeah, I think we definitely need the italic on there to have a little bit of flow to it. Interesting. Not sure I'm 100% liking. Isn't that interesting? When I change to the italic, it completely changes the font. Yeah. So let's see what else we can find. Not sure what I like. Not sure what I like. I kind of liked the funky little G. But I don't think I want. There we go. Now we've got that G staying there. And I think I would like to pull that apart a bit. Oh, yep, liking this. So this is what I do. I just kind of play around until I find what works for me, what feels right and good. Painting. I don't know how that is as far as being able to read it. What do you think? What do you think? Is anybody watching? I can see. I can go back and forth between these. Anyway, I think I'm going to go ahead with that. This is a something I was just making for a friend of mine. So I am going to though do one little quick thing, which is to kern this just a little bit. Kerning means the space between two letters. I'm going to take that one down just a little bit in this particular case. Not really what I'm trying to go for. It's not coming down for some reason. Nope, that's the goal. That is not the side I want. I want the other one. I want this side. But I guess I've really got to go down quite a bit. There we go. See how that brings that closer to that P. And it looks like it's just a little bit more fitting where it wants to be. Pull this in just a little bit. Also, yeah, there we go. Kind of makes it a little more cohesive. You kind of just got to look and see what the differences are. And that went a little bit too much, in my opinion. It's really a matter of your eye and seeing where it's all at. Alrighty, so there we go. Now I'm going to go back over to PicMonkey. I do need a little space there. And show you how to, in PicMonkey, go ahead and make a logo with a transparent background. See you in a minute over there.